Hello Mzansi, welcome to Mkosasa Mzansi. If today is your first time visiting this channel, please do the right thing and click the subscribe button, and also don't forget to smash the like button. Yesterday was Mother's Day and people were celebrating Mother's Day in different ways. So uSamke Khwela Musamseleko's fifth wife Bekala Panagwa Maqele yesterday also celebrating Mother's Day nemyeni phela uMsamseleko and uNdlunkulu uMaqele bebalapha endlini ayamacelele lapha eSiphaka. So uthengele cake I don't know who bought the cake, but bekunele cake olibhalwe mom laSamke as a first time mom celebrating being a mom. uMsamseleko yena was busy bonding with the child. Kesana people are saying ukuthi shame uMsamseleko the way he's so happy ukuthi unemntwana yothiwe ukuthi it's the first time abanemntwana. So people are just saying ukuthi they love indlela akhombisa ngakhona alithando kulomntwana. So normally we think ukuthi if mhlambe someone anebantwana le excitement ayibi khona kangako whenever sebaba nalomnye mntwana, but with uMsamseleko Shem it's a different story. People are saying ukuthi ayi uyamthanda ngomntwana, or like she's so happy. Ngishambuka nje uyabona ukuthi cha lithando ligqwele emehlweni njena akumseleko. So uMseleko was spending time with mntwana waSamke, and uSamke bekalaphana kaMaqele. Some people are dragging uSamke ngokunamathela kakhulu lapha kuMaqele, saying ukuthi utreat uMaqele ngazuthi ngumaketala wakhe and not kambe kuthiwa yini lo umnakwabo, not umnakwabo, but umtreat ngazuthi ngumaketala. And people are saying ukuthi cha, there's nothing wrong with that. Welcoming and logo uyade naye uMaqele ukuthi kumvisa buhlungu boMakhumalo. So I guess naye she wants boMaqele and boMakhumalo and boMayini to feel the pain lebayifila nabo uma bangena bona. So she's just trying ukuthi nabo abafile, meaning to welcome uSamke kahle. I want them to feel their pain ukuthi kubuhlungu njani uma nabo sebalanywa. Please do comment what you think below down in the comment section. Don't forget to hit the notification bell so that you can be notified whenever I upload a new video. I'm signing out. Goodbye.